Okay, I wanted to show off my final project for my web application class. We had to make a program that added info to a data and using select statements, prepared statements, and post method to add data and to get data. And then I think populate something. Anyway, so there's no user creation. The password is pass, the username is user. I didn't have time to add that. So anyway, if you try to enter in something different than that, you get a warning. But if you punch in user and pass, hit login, it takes you to the Destiny Quest hero sheet. So these aren't buttons, but they expand based on where you hover over the div. But this is all done in CSS. So then same with the buttons, it's all done in CSS. So when you click on modify hero, this is the back door to the character sheet. You use this to populate this. So then you want to punch in something and dancer, and then you just hit save. So it adds it to the database. It's called character database. Then you hit character sheet, and it takes the data from the database and applies it to these table rows with PHP using Echo. So just a quick look at the code. Hero sheet, it's getting the variables through post, and then it's using prepared statements and adding it to the specific table. There's only one row, and it's adding it to that row at the column name, hero name. And then when you go back to your other screen, the hero sheet view, this is grabbing those variables from the PDO fetch associative array and assigning them to variables that is then being echoed on the table. So yeah, all in all, it seems to work pretty well. If I had more time, it would have been nice to do user login, so everybody could, have their own. But I needed to see if I could get it to make and modify one character, and it works. So yeah, there's my program.